So my name is Courtney Brown. I am the STEAM teacher for K-3 here at Eagle Academy. I serve kindergarten through third grade, STEAM science across the board. And I really try to embrace the whole name of STEAM. The Tech Mentor program, I like it. It's a great experience just in terms of becoming more knowledgeable on how technology can be very influential and be impacting for students. So I can say a lot about just technology, I can say a lot about just education. But the marriage of the two is really phenomenal, just what the kids are able to do and how they're able to express themselves. I think technology plays a big role. I mean, if you look at the STEM career fields and the STEM industry, everything that someone does in a lab or even just in the office is geared through some type of technology. And we're not just talking about like a computer or an iPad. I mean, we're talking machinery. We're talking innovative invention things. Just the type of activities they use, like even a biological safety cabinet. It's a big thing that they use when they keep things sterile. That's a technology. And so there's just so many roles in it. I think it plays a major role here in the school because while the children may never actually touch some of these things before they leave here, which is I'm hope that they would, but before they leave here, that they would have exposure to it, that they would properly know how to open a document, that they would know how to find information effectively through the proper respectful channels on the internet and those type of things. So I think it's just great, to see the connection and for them to understand the connection because it just makes them that much more competitive in the STEM industries if that's what they desire. We're such a technology immersed school that an iPad is nothing to them. Most of them can do some things that I can't even do on my various applications, but being them to be that much more engaged because, for example, my third graders are doing learning about ecosystems and biomes, and I've been cutting up pictures of different plants and animals for the biomes that they chose to do their project on. But their task for this last part of the project is to look up information about an animal that they pick out of one of my bins for like the desert or for the tundra or something. And so just having that type of digital citizenship, like we were talking about the ITSE and the standards, just so where they know the pathway, know what to do, or know how to get there. The kindergartners just like the idea of being able to sit at a computer. They're still little, so they have a lot to learn in terms of technology and development, but getting them to use a mouse properly, until we're all touchpad, they should know how to use a mouse. So them being able to do that. I mean, first and second grade, they're kind of in between. They're kind of want to be hip and cool and look stuff up, but some of them still, are progressing with their understanding of technology. So it's just kind of, a lot of seeing how they develop and what they're able to do. And it's phenomenal. And it's great for behavior because if they're totally engaged in something, you have them. And you don't have to deal with the behaviors as much because they're learning. Just in terms of seeing how much they can grow over a short period of time with the implementation of technology, seeing how much they give back. I know there's a lot of talk and buzz here at Eagle about authentic student experiences, authentic learning experiences. And I think if you just give them the platform with the technology to say, hey, this is the start, where you take it from here, that really can birth authentic learning experiences. So I would definitely speak to just the student response has been a great impact. And it's encouraging as a teacher just to see that they want to learn, but just finding that little niche of, okay, this is what you want to learn. But I really feel that if we would just even in a day, just put our heads together to say, what are the needs of pre-K all the way to third grade, and how can technology better suit it? I think that kind of will be a roadmap for us. And then of course, implementing ITSE standards, because I'm all about making sure that the children are meeting a goal. Not so much to a test, but a goal for their own academic development and success.